Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Beldum in your game. Beldum is a unique Steel and Psychic-type Pokémon, known for its incredible strength once it evolves. While you cannot catch Beldum directly in the wild, there is a specific in-game method to add this fantastic Pokémon to your team. It's a rewarding process for any trainer looking for a powerful ally. The primary way to obtain Beldum involves the Friend Safari, a special area unlocked after completing the main story. You will need a friend whose Friend Safari is designated as a Steel type. Within this safari, you can encounter Medang, the evolved form of Beldum, typically at level 30. This is your crucial first step towards getting your very own Beldum. Once you have successfully caught a Medang from a Steel-type Friend Safari, the next step is breeding. Take your Medang and a Ditto to the Pokémon Daycare on Route 7. These two Pokémon are compatible for breeding, and after some time, they will produce an egg. This egg, when hatched, will reveal your very own Beldum, ready to begin its training journey. Beldum's evolutionary line is incredibly strong. It evolves into Medang at level 20, and then into the powerful Metagross at level 45. Metagross is a highly sought-after pseudo-legendary Pokémon, boasting impressive stats and a unique Steel and Psychic typing. Investing time in obtaining and training Beldum will undoubtedly strengthen your team significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.